What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and welcome to another KetoCon video. Now, as you can see, we are back at my house, and the KetoCon lanyard has made it on the wall of lanyards and badges behind me, and that's because I totally forgot to shoot this intro when we were down in Austin. But today is actually going to be probably my favorite video from KetoCon, and that is because I am focusing on the people that I met, the community, the friends that I made, and you know, I want them to share their stories with you guys, and maybe it's going to help inspire some of you guys. Maybe it'll give you someone to follow and, you know, maybe ask questions to, or just someone to kind of keep you going through this diet. So I thought this was a fantastic way to do it, was to talk to the people that I met and the people that I made friends with and give them an opportunity to share their stories and what they do. So do me a favor, guys, get your cell phones out right now, open up Instagram, because you're going to want to follow a ton of these people, starting with this wonderfully attractive and humble man right here at Keto Life Fitness. Go ahead and give me a follow if you have not. Anyways, let's get right into this because there's a ton of people that I talk to, and I think you guys are going to love them all. All right, everybody, we are here with the one and only Hong Kong John. I met him here at KetoCon, never really met the guy before, and he's probably one of the coolest dudes I've ever met. So I wanted to give him a chance here to just kind of talk about who he is, what he does, and, you know, plug himself a little bit for you guys, because this guy's freaking awesome.
Yeah. All right, well, so my name's Jonathan Shane. You can find me on Instagram at The Keto Road, YouTube The Keto Road, even though I'm working on that. Yeah, so basically I'm a one-on-one nutrition coach for a company called Deeper State Keto. I make some recipes. I talk about eating disorders. I used to suffer with bulimia. I talk about, you know, hormone balancing and just, you know, mind over, you know, body weight. It's all about health starts in the head. A lot of motivational stuff. So yeah, man, I was just trying to make the world a better place, one body change at a time. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, you know, I just wanted to get some clips today talking to people like you that just, like, you know, I've met here, and you're really just good for the industry, good people, and it's been a pleasure, man.
Yeah, man, no, I appreciate it, man. No, this is cool. You watch him, I bet you really enjoy his stuff, for sure.
Oh, and if you're ever in Vegas, dude, look me up, seriously.
Yeah, no, for real. Yeah, well.
All right, guys, on to the next one. All right, everybody, I am here with Gormy. He is Gormy Goes Keto on Instagram, and he's got a really great story about his weight loss. So I wanted to just give you guys an opportunity here to listen to his story, and maybe it can get you guys through something or help you out, give you some inspiration. So I'm gonna hand it off to you, Gormy.
Cool. Well, good to talk to you. So at my heaviest weight, I was 540 pounds. So right now I'm 230 pounds, so I'm down 310 pounds.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Keto has played a significant role in my journey. I actually lost almost all the weight in 2013. I was 210 pounds, and I regained 270 pounds in 6 months. That's how strong, like, my addiction to carbohydrates and food is. And I had to find a better tool to help me, and so I came to keto when I was 470 pounds. That was February of 2017, and so now it's been 2.5 years, and I'm down 240 pounds. But I think the bigger thing is I've been able to change my relationship with food, and that's a big part of that is, like, the fact that keto allows me to have some control over the physical cravings, so I can work more on learning, like, what the mental hunger is and where that's coming from, and identify the emotions behind that, and give me, like, the strength to work on that side of things, because that's the part I ignored before. And I think that's what happens sometimes. You get too focused on the end result, and now I'm able to kind of enjoy the process and think more about the process as it's going on.
And I think that's the big key there, is you've changed how you look at the world, and I think at the same time, you know, you're accepting of what needs to happen and embracing the journey. It's not about the end game, guys. It's about getting there. Like, getting there's half the fun, right?
Oh, completely. And that's what I say to people, because a lot of times people will message me and say, if I had your willpower, if I had your strength, if I had whatever, I could do it, or you make it look easy. And I like to say to people that I think weight loss at its core is easy. We know that weight loss is easy because you just have to change what you're eating and probably eat a little bit less. But how do you get there? That's the part that's not simple. Like, so it's actually, wait a minute, I'm saying this wrong. It's simple but not easy. See, right. I'm like, you're looking at me and I'm like, wait, that makes no sense. It's simple. Weight loss is simple because you figure out what plan works for you and you stay consistent with it. But it's not easy because you have hard times and things you need to do to get through it. And you find the tools that work for you. And I think keto's the tool that worked for me. Like, I think that's important. It might not work for everyone, but
it worked
for me, eating a higher fat ratio allowed for satiation to become a part of my life, for me to understand, like, food a little bit better. Like, it freed me up from being chained by food, which I think is just really important. I think it's really important.
There we go. She got it. Camera's arms getting sore.
I know, right? I was gonna say, wow, that's like a
a
challenge. That is literally a challenge they need here at KetoCon. Like,
yeah, how long can you hold
which
the vlog?
vlogger can hold their camera?
It's like shaking. I don't know if they could see that in the camera. It's like I'm sitting there going like, shaking it.
I think you were doing great.
Well, dude, I really appreciate it, and thank you for letting me do this.
Definitely.
He's actually saw his Instagram today, and he actually is a massive transformation. So check him out on Instagram. I'll put his tag right here. It's Gourmet Goes Keto, and it's just a phenomenal story. And if you guys ever need inspiration, look to this man, because I mean he's inspiring me even to this day.
Definitely. And if anyone wants to talk, drop me a DM. I love talking to anyone, really. Like, we all have questions and things like that, so I think it's great.
Awesome, dude. Thank you so much.
Definitely, man. Thanks.
All right, everybody. We are here with Ben Phelps, the Primal Bro. You may recognize him if you're one of my super OG subscribers from like when I had like maybe 100. And things have changed, things have updated. I just want to give him a chance to kind of tell you who he is, a little bit about his channel, what he's doing, and kind of update you all on what's been going on.
Yeah. So like he said, I'm Ben Primal Bro. It's at Primal Bro on Instagram, primalbro.com. I'm on YouTube. Like he said, we did a collab way back in the day when we both had under 200 subscribers for sure.
He was a lot bigger than me back then.
Yeah, when things change. You know what I'm saying? But so for me, the main hub's Instagram. So if you're really interested in the kind of things that I do, which would be mainly carnivore diet and jiu-jitsu. Those are the two big factors for me. So you can check me out on Instagram. I do some coaching. I'm really trying to get back into YouTube because I enjoy it. I just slacked, right? Everybody gets lazy on something. That's where I got lazy, but now I'm ready to recommit. And this event really helped. Meeting you helped. All of it. Yeah.
It's funny, so I don't do any coaching myself personally, but he does. So if you guys are interested in any coaching, go check him out. He's a great coach. He's lost a lot of weight too. Look at his transformations. I mean, it's been quite a ride. And now when I first met you, dude, you were just getting into jiu-jitsu. Now you're killing it, right?
Yeah. Much. I mean, obviously you got to enjoy the process, and it takes a while. But I'm like almost 2 years in at this point, and it leaps and bounds better. I compete actively, usually in the second half of the year. So as you're watching this, depending on how soon he gets it up, as you're watching this, I'll be kind of like ramping up for competition season. So enjoy, follow along, and just kind of check it out. Even if you don't want coaching, it just means a lot to people follow. I try to put things out there, show you what I'm doing. You can take what I do, take what he does, take what everybody else does, and kind of figure out your own mix.
Awesome, dude. Well, it's been good meeting
Thanks,
you in
man.
person.
Yes,
I mean,
absolutely.
We've seen each other from here up, so now this has kind of been awesome.
Yeah,
So,
and I'll be going to Vegas to visit this fella.
Exactly. So we're gonna have a collab coming soon. What up, guys? I am here with the one and only Goody Beats, Logan Delgado, a huge inspiration of mine when I first started out. And I just want to ask you, so what advice do you have for people that may be a little bit bigger, like we both were, that are just starting out in fitness and want to lose some weight and kind of get into the kind of amazing shape you're in now?
Yes. So understand that it's going to take time. Okay, understand it's going to take time. It's not going to happen overnight, but I promise you, I guarantee, if you work your butt off consistently every single day. A lot of people's like, hey, Logan, I've been working out for like 2 weeks, bro. Like, why am I not losing weight? Guys, it's gonna take time. Please trust the process. Don't give up. And I promise you, if you start now, start today, immediately after this video, you will thank yourself 2, 3, 4, 5 months from now, okay? There's no better way to get started. And one other thing, it is never too late to become what you might have been. Now you say, Logan, what do you mean by that? Guys, I didn't get started doing fitness until the age 26. Some people make it so that pretty late. It's never too late. I don't care if you're 30, 40, 50, 60 years old, you will always have time to change your life, but you need to do it right now. Understand, it's not gonna happen overnight, okay?
Awesome, dude, I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem, man, no problem.
Thank you. All right, everybody, I am here with Alison, a keto girl on Instagram, and I met her through Ben, the Primal Bro, here for the first time at KetoCon. And she's got a pretty cool story too, so I wanted to give her the opportunity to talk to you guys, tell you her story, and we'll put her Instagram right there if you guys want to check her out. So I'll hand it over to you.
Awesome, thanks. Well, I actually found keto because my husband had a friend who was trying it. I wanted to lose a lot of weight. I was really depressed. I had a lot of headaches and stomach aches, and I didn't really know that that was a problem until I started keto, and then all of my joint pain, stomach aches, headaches, and everything went away. And as soon as all of those things went away, after about a month, I was completely sold, and that's when it became a lifestyle change and not just a diet, because I tried every single diet in the book.
Yeah.
And it was like, wow, this is something that I can actually sustain. And then lost 50 pounds just focusing on the diet and really mastering what keto was all about. And after I lost 50 pounds, I started working out, and so now I lift weights, run, I do all these things that I never imagined I could do, and it's just it's just amazing.
So you changed your life with the keto. You got rid of all the medical conditions you had, and now you're starting to live this kind of healthy, active lifestyle, all because you have the energy, not that you don't have the pains, everything's there.
Exactly.
That is an awesome story. Now, what kind of things do you put on your Instagram? What can these people expect if they want to go check you out?
Well, let's see. So I try to just kind of share positivity and trust the process, and I've lost 95 pounds total.
Well, congratulations.
So thank you.
Come on, guys, tell her congrats down there.
This guy's lost a lot of weight too, so yay. But yeah, it's not just about the weight loss, it's about the process and learning to forgive yourself when you make mistakes.
Yes.
And learning that it is going to be a lifelong learning process. It's not just, like, the keto you do today may not be the keto you do 2 years from now, a month from now, and you're just constantly learning and fine-tuning as you lose weight and as your goals change.
And that's the other thing. What works for her might not be perfect for you. What works for me might not be perfect for her. Everybody's a little bit different. Some people can tolerate some stuff, some people cannot. I'm a little more liberal with things, especially when people are just starting out. But as you go, she's right. What you're doing today might not be what you're doing 2 years from now, and that's totally fine. And it's fantastic that you've made it this far, and I just I wish you the best. Everybody go check her out. I'll put the Instagram on the screen one more time, and let's continue our day here at KetoCon.
Thank you.
All right, everybody, we are here at the Keto Savage booth with the best dressed man here at KetoCon, the man himself, the Keto Savage, Robert Sykes. And I just wanted to bring him on the channel here. He was a huge motivation to me when I started keto, along with Goody Beats and those kind of guys. And I've got to meet them, but I finally got to meet Rob here, and want to give him a chance to kind of inspire you the way that he inspired me, tell you a little bit about himself, what he does, and everything like that. So Rob, if you wouldn't mind.
Yeah, so Robert Sykes, lifetime natural competitive bodybuilder. Been at KetoCon for all 3 years it's been held, and there's nothing cooler for me than to be amongst all these amazing people, these amazing companies in the keto space, just trying to improve their life on a day-to-day basis. I'm beyond blessed, beyond grateful. People like this guy, hit me up, shoot me emails, message on social media. I'm just blessed. I'm blessed beyond words to just be a part of this community. So you got to go in life, you got passion, tackle it, hit it every single day. Something great will happen.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Well, dude, I appreciate everything you've done for me, everything you do for everybody. Congratulations on the launch of the apparel. Guys, what's the website for the apparel? They can find it at?
LiveSavageApparel.com for the clothes, and then Keto Brick for the brick.
Check them out, guys. The bricks are delicious. I think I got on the second launch. You guys have changed them a bit, and they're great. And then check out the clothes. I just got myself one right here.
Appreciate that, by the way.
We'll see you, man.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
You bet, man.
We are here with our next guest here at KetoCon Day 3, and this is Candice from @KetoCandice. She is awesome and has another great story for you guys. So I'm going to turn it over to her right here and tell them what you do and kind of who you are.
Yeah, so my name is Candice, @keto.candice, and I have been doing keto for about a year now. I've lost 45 pounds so far. Ways to go, but I'm getting there. It's a lot of the mindset changes is the hardest thing to get over. My why for doing keto is really my whole family has diabetes. Both of my parents, my mom recently passed away because of type 2 diabetes. My dad did as well. So I'm trying to not follow in their footsteps. My sister has diabetes as well, and she just messaged me yesterday because she's seen all my KetoCon posts. She's like, I want to get into keto too. So I'm trying to have that influence on people and to live a more positive, healthy lifestyle, I would say.
And that's a great thing, trying to overcome the disease that has plagued your family, and help people continue on, and get yourself down a healthier path. And honestly, guys, follow her on her journey. The best thing you can do if you're starting a journey is take someone and go on the journey with them, because you're going to mess up. Everybody does it. There's going to be questions. There's going to be things. And the introductory phase, people like me might not remember everything, but people like her are going through it right now with you. So give her a follow. Talk to her. So I'm sure you don't mind messages, comments, things like that. She can help you through things. You guys can help her through things. It's a really great community to get yourself involved in. And I know you just said you're just beginning and you have a ways to go, but you know what? You're already killing it. 45 pounds, that's the start. And hey, congratulations.
Thank you. I did a 5K. I did my first ever 5K.
Oh, there you go. I haven't even done that, guys. I don't run.
So that was super fun. I have a few more signed up for this year, so I'm trying to do that. My husband runs a lot, so he kind of pushed me into that, but it's been fun. I'm really enjoying it. And message me, I share on my Instagram a lot of the food that I'm eating. I have a busy lifestyle, so sometimes it's fast food. Maybe not everyone does that, but you can eat keto wherever you go.
but it works for you, and that's what matters. There's no arguing results, guys. Hey, you know what? You lose 100 pounds, you lose 50 pounds, doesn't matter. If it worked, it worked. Don't care what anybody says, right? That's my results on everything, you know?
Exactly.
So awesome. Well, thank you for doing this with me. Everybody, go check her out. Give us some support down in the comment section, and let's build this community together. Keep everybody strong. There's enough negativity out there. You know, we had this conversation when we were at barbecue the other day. You know, we are fighting the rest of the world. Let's not fight each other. Let's build this community and just be together. So thank you so much for sitting down and doing this with me, and congratulations, and you know, good luck on your journey.
Thank you so much.
Well, everybody, I'm back at my apartment, and it is the end of KetoCon Night 3. Today, I just wanted to spotlight on all the people, and you know, I hope you guys really enjoyed that. This is the faces of keto. These are the people that I've associated with, people that I've met here, the wonderful stories that I've heard, and I thought that that was important. You know, the past couple of days, I've highlighted a few vendors that I thought was cool. I showed you some products that I brought home, and KetoCon's not just about the vendors. It's about us meeting each other, the people that we meet online, the people that we're too scared to DM, some of the idols that really got us into keto, and we're able to share our stories with them and share our stories with people that maybe have a bigger following than us, maybe a less of a following, but enough to get the information out there. And the, you know, the real heart of all of this is us coming together and, you know, meeting each other, bouncing ideas off of it, and just the friendships that are formed. I can tell you right now, for a matter of fact, that like, there are people that I never met before that I met today, and we will continue to talk once I leave here, and that is an awesome experience that we can all do this together. But with that, guys, I'm gonna go and close out the KetoCon vlog series. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, leave it a like. If you have not subscribed yet, please do me a huge favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button, show some love, and with that, I will see you all in the next one.